Extrinsic materials are resources that do not form a part of an act, but can be used by a court to assist in the interpretation of that act. The interpretation acts of each jurisdiction will define what is considered extrinsic material in that jurisdiction. Extrinsic materials can also be referred to as extrinsic aids and can include Royal and Law Reform Commission reports, Parliamentary Committee reports, explanatory notes or memorandums and bills, and second reading speeches. The information in these resources can outline the reasons for any changes to the legislation and the intended purpose of the legislation. This information can assist the courts to interpret the legislation in the future and you as a reader to understand the legislation. Extrinsic materials can be found in the Hansard of the Parliament, but this can be tricky to navigate. Time-Based Law 1 is a database that holds the full text of legislation across Australia, but also provides access to bills, explanatory memorandum and notes, and second reading speeches related to those acts. Some records will also include a Bills Digest, which can help you as the reader understand the purpose of the bill. We're going to look for the resources associated with the Coal Industry Amendment Bill 2018, New South Wales. In Timebase, select Browse from the options across the top of the screen. From the expanded menu, select the jurisdiction your act is from. In this case, it's New South Wales. You can choose to navigate to either acts or bills. Bills will provide access to all of the bills that have been presented to Parliament, whether they have passed or not. In the Bills section, we're going to select All. Select the letter your bill starts with using the alphabet at the top of the page. In our case, it's the letter C. Now select the first two letters of the bill at the top of the page. In our case, that's CO. Browse the list until you find your bill and select the title. Here's ours, Coal Industry Amendment Bill 2018. This will open the bill and the explanatory note. To view the other documents associated with this bill, select Key Info on the top right of the screen. The pop-up box will show details of the bill and you'll see a heading Downloads with a More Downloads option listed. Select More Downloads. You'll now see all of the resources associated with this bill as PDFs, and this will include the bill and explanatory notes, the second reading speeches for the lower and upper house, and the Bills Digest.